If you ever tried hiring an SEO professional, then you probably know that the real challenge is being able to evaluate the hands-on experience of this person. What did they do in their previous projects, the results, the good things, the bad things? Well, how can we do that successfully? We hope to answer this question today with our SVP of Marketing, Maxim Roslikov, and I'll start immediately with Max. Let's evaluate, Max, your hands-on experience. How many SEOs have you ever hired in your career?
Well, I was hiring a head of SEO 7 times throughout my professional career for 4 different companies in e-commerce, in fintech, in software as a service. And actually, same approach can be used to evaluate agencies because agencies' experience can be quite relevant to what you are doing. And in some cases, you don't need to hire a head of SEO in-house. You can hire an agency with same expertise.
Absolutely, that's really, really true. But what exactly are the first steps? What do you do first?
So main challenge is to understand what was really done by this candidate, by this person. And normally you have kind of tons of people applying for this position, and you want to prioritize your efforts in hiring and understand who you should speak first with. So yeah, first thing to do is to build a pretty much simple spreadsheet. We can share our template in the description under this video, and then fill the information from their LinkedIn profiles. So what we will look at, we are interested in dates to understand which period of time this person was working in exact company. I do really recommend to consider only experience more than a year long, because actually SEO is kind of a slow thing. Between doing something and getting results, it's normally few weeks or even months. So you need somebody who has quite long experience and can apply it to your company in the future. So what we're doing next, after getting the data from LinkedIn profile or this candidate's CV, you're loading our organic research tool to check how the organic traffic for this website was growing during same period of time. If it was kind of head of SEO, you can assume that thanks to this person, organic traffic was growing at healthy or not healthy levels. Even if this candidate was just a team player, they were at least working in a quite successful or unsuccessful company.
Yeah.
So yeah, we are checking a period of time, then we're checking the organic traffic and trend of this traffic, how it was growing, and then we sort our candidates based on organic traffic increase during their career. First to prioritize, and second is to start your discussion with this candidate.
Yeah.
Because actually it's kind of approximate data, it's not 100% accurate, and nobody has access to Google Analytics of this exact company. But this is how, let's say, analytic tools see this website and experience of this exact person. So even if your candidate will tell, well, you know what, it's not actual numbers, actual numbers were better or worse or whatever, but it will anyway help you to start the discussion, to discuss reasons why it was high, why it was low, why performance went this way. So actually, yeah, two reasons. First is to prioritize your candidates list, and second is to start the discussion with each of them.
Well, that seems definitely like the smartest thing to do. And just in case you're wondering, no, this is not the last video we will do on the topic. We will do many more because Max has so much insights. He's done it so many times that he has a lot of very good info that he can share with us. And Max, do you want to maybe spoil a little what's coming next?
2 topics to cover to fully understand kind of the whole workflow. So first, probably even 3 topics. Yeah, first of all, it's a question of balance between hiring SEO agency or hiring in-house SEO professional. There are tips and tricks around it. If you decided to hire an head of SEO in-house, it's actually should start with a good job description, so we can speak about it. And after you made a decision to hire a person, you should onboard them well, so make sure they will bring the value to a business.
Okay, I'm gonna stop right there the interview because I don't want Max to spoil too much, but yes, you might have understood that some very huge topics about hiring SEO professionals and just in general managing SEO professionals inside and outside of a company, and also agencies, you know, the whole deal. So if you want to know more about these topics, and if you have in general any other topics you would like us to answer to, please leave them in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching this interview. I really hope it was as helpful as possible. If you liked the video, put a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!